Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove the ByteCast virtual camera. This usually gets installed with TikTok Live Studio. If you have already uninstalled TikTok Live Studio but the ByteCast virtual camera is still showing up, this guide will help you remove it completely. As you can see, I have my browser open in the camera section and there are 4 ByteCast virtual cameras listed. First, close your browser and open regedit. Once it's open, click Edit and open Find. Then search for ByteCast virtual camera. Make sure you type it exactly as shown. When the search finds the entries, you will see the first folder. I will resize the window so it's easy to see. In here, there are 4 folders because there are 4 virtual cameras installed. You will need to delete all of these folders. After deleting them, close regedit and open your browser again. As you can see, ByteCast virtual cameras are now gone. If they are still showing up on your computer, try restarting your PC or completely closing and reopening Chrome. I hope this video helped you, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.